Here's a classic story. The scorpion and the frog. There was a scorpion who wanted to get across the stream and had no way of doing that on his own. And he noticed the frog by the side of the water. And he inquired of the frog, "Would you take me on your back and ferry me across the stream so I can get to the other side?" And the frog wisely said, "Well, why would I do that? Because, we'll get halfway across and you'll sting me and I'll drown." To which the scorpion replied, "Now, why would I do that? If I were to sting you, not only would you drown, I would drown as well." So the frog thought about it and he decided to take the risk. And the scorpion got on his back and the frog began to swim. And halfway across the stream, sure enough, the scorpion stings the frog. And as they're going down beneath the waves, the frog inquires, "Now, why did you do that? Now we're both going to die." To which the scorpion said, "I'm a scorpion. Just what did you expect?" Some people have a nature, and that nature will come out. Don't expect change. Change is difficult. Most people don't do it. It takes a lot of effort, concentration, and sacrifice to change. So if you see people with patterns of behavior, believe those patterns. Don't assume they're necessarily going to change.